Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover the 5 best rated gardening gloves in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Pine Tree Tool Bamboo Gardening Gloves. Tool Glove Pine Bamboo work is not only sustainable, let us admit, surprisingly, an effective option, is also powerful and cheap, while the excellent quality for success is still necessary to maintain pruning and harvesting. Bamboo construction is breathable, which is great news for those who are in the warmer, perhaps overwhelming, environmental garden or someone who likes to spend all day with their hands in the bush. As you understand, however, do not exclude them from each other. Despite the excellent protection offered, they are so designed that they have the feeling they wear gloves that take some getting used to a psychological level, and could cause some glitches and phantom pain. This sensitivity of the bare hand makes it easier to handle, and branches-friendly features touchscreen means you can record your progress in your smartphone without gloves to remove. Not a great technology? Hypoallergenic and antibacterial materials ensure that there is no infection or other health problems. They do not come with the glove arm you will find the fir tree, but for small jobs or for anyone who wants to show how tough you are, yes, let's see how good it is. They gloves are an excellent value option, the robust, flexible, efficient, and especially comfortable, because why would not feel comfortable if you like gardening, make sure you also hear guide better coverage, more trimmers. Number 2. Our second best pick is G&F 5013M JustForKids Kids Genuine Leather Work Gloves. G&F products, real suede gloves, are designed and manufactured exactly the same high-quality materials such as whole texture work gloves for adult size. They are an ideal choice for any parent who wants to get your child in any activities or gardening workshop involving twinning parent-child in style. They are made of cowhide and you have protection gathered puppets, holding the dirt and unwanted waste. sRGB brown leather gloves are comfortable and breathable to wear, and they have a flexible keystone thumb for a lot of flexibility and dexterity. Versatile, perform the duties of the garden, home and workshop. Available in 2 sizes to suit for 6 years or 7-11 years. If you feel it is time, effort as a family, to do more activities together, why not buy these essential gardening gloves and get your little green fingers in life to begin? Enjoy while digging, weeding and pruning together on the roses tie, creating shrubs and healthy habits outside. Number 3. Our third best pick is Exemplary Gardens Rose Pruning Gardening Gloves. Rose gardening is very therapeutic, and there is no greater satisfaction seeing beautiful roses blooming, flowering in life. They make a beautiful floral display in both your garden and home, but it tends, and circumcision is not without its dangers. From spinal puncture, scratch, and the disease grower of roses as sporotrichosis is worse is known. If you are serious about your gardening and roses maintaining the service in particular, then you must provide adequate protection if you have sensitive skin or exemplary knot. These gardening gloves are constructed from high-quality goatskin with a portion of the long glove combined from suede cowhide. The combination of these two ensures that durable materials, both hands and forearms, are highly protected by the elbow. They are puncture-resistant, malleable and flexible, yet can keep the ability required to do the work of delicate pruning to complete the garden. Available in a variety of sizes and colors, is a unisex design, and soft buttery texture is also ideal for sensitive skin. They make an excellent choice for people with arthritis, and ergonomic design, are a practical option that ensures a good grip and is constantly maintained during handling more tools. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is MAGID Glove and Safety Professional Gardening Gloves. In a variety of sizes and a pair of attractive color combinations, these professional quality gloves, one of the leading U.S. manufacturers, prevent personal protective equipment and safety from any unwanted penetration of thorns. Bella Glove MAGID Glove and Safety is everything, creating goals protection to the next level through a glove with one, puncture-resistant padded palm with reinforced but flexible fingertips. In a touch of beautiful design, whimsical fingers have grippy floral motifs printed on them for a more confident and secure feel. These style gardening gloves longer reach the length to provide elbows sufficient protection for the entire forearm of each, available to scratch itching or potential thorny bushes and shrubs. The fingerlength sections for additional protection for the entire addition of enhanced glued to the body of the spandex to the palms of the gloves guarantee the existence, perform flexibility and convenience of the most delicate pruning jobs. These are stylish and durable, high-quality pairs of gardening gloves, absolutely perfect pick for professional gardeners. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is fir tree leather gardening gloves. For the best gardening gloves, all the basics, all and a simple, give meaningless needs and requirements, but also an effective option, leather gardening gloves for trees are for you. If you're new to the game of gardening, a good way to dip your fingers without breaking the bank or going too cheap cannot be adequately protected if things are spiky. The goatskin gets tough and provides protection, but it's also not too hard to restrict movement, the necessary skills to maintain, while trust plumb with and collect and use throw your life depends on it. With his arms, it comes with leather sleeves and is durable, which helps it avoid any unpleasant surprises when it comes to his dark and mysterious world pink bush. They will not only protect you from thorns of roses. They are puncture-resistant fingers, hands and arms of all kinds, safekeeping if they grow prickly pests in your garden. Cacti to exotic palms and even poison ivy, you can trust that you are well protected, so that work in the garden fun again, instead of an almost masochistic adventure where your cherished shrubs closer look at the scene of the crime, that anything would be subjected to. Large Garden Magazine. This makes a great gift for gardeners in your life. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.